Hi there, I'm going to show you how to design the detail page template for the geodirectory and the Oxygenbuilder. This is a totally new WordPress install with just the geodirectory and the Oxygenbuilder installed. So I first did a header footer template where so it's a new template, which I go here, you have the templates. Header footer, then you inherit no other design right now, and others you press catch all, and then you just press publish. So, and then you can open it up in the Oxygenbuilder, and then I just put in there a random from the library random design from the for the header and random design for the footer, just to make an example. And here you see in the structure panel, there's also this inner content block. And in the inner content block, you can see the different listings, the different designs. So this is the default listing design, which comes with the geodirectory, which you can see in the Gutenberg below with the shortcodes. And this will be overwritten by the template we will do now. So you see that there are no margins, and we also won't, you could make here like the inner content always has a margin of, let's say 10%, and you see there, and let's say left also 10%. And see that it will get more formatted, but I wouldn't do it like this. I would when you have the header and the footer row, I just would always let the inner content be like this, and then can you decide on the other template how much margin you actually want to have. Just if you on the side, maybe okay, that maybe would make sense, but like this, not really. So let's go to the detail template. So I did a detail place template, so a new template with a detail place template. And then here I inherit the header and footer template. So on all my pages will be the header and footer. Then I pick here in the singular, because it's a singular page, I take places. So this is Orte, it's in German, but in English it would be places. So it just will be shown for the CPT places. If you have other CPTs, then you can pick here also another CPT. So you can, for every CPT, you can do the special a special design if you want to. So you see, but now I can press anything because I didn't change anything. Anyway, you have to make sure that you press publish, and then you should check again if it really applied the changes, because sometimes it's, I don't know why it just won't, and then just try it again and then it will. So I opened already up, so we don't have to wait to load. So you have here, now you see this is what the inner content area in the header and footer template is now editable. So we will add a section. I will just put a little bit inside here. So you can now choose the widget of the geodirectory. You can use the shortcuts of the directory. You have here a shortcode. Is it the helpers? No, it's in WordPress. Yeah, you have here a shortcode. So you just press the shortcode, and then can you type in the shortcode without any problems. Let's see. So here you put the full shortcode, and then it will appear. So if you know the shortcode, this is really nice. So and also much quicker than searching for the widgets, but I don't know the shortcuts. But you can also, like, especially for like title and stuff like this content, you can use the default from the default dynamic data of the Oxygenbuilder. So you have here the basics. You can put in here a heading, and then you just click double the heading and insert data. And you go to custom field meta options. No, that's not what I meant. So insert data, and then post, you just put in title. Insert. So now there will be a title of the development that should be there. Yeah, here you go. So there's the development land. So let's add the picture. You can also, again, do you have the widget of the geodirectory for the post image, but you can also just press here image and press here data and take the featured image, insert. So then let's put a column in there. So let's make 3 columns. So let's use some of the widgets just to show them. So you have here the here I want the post meta. And here, okay, post meta. So you have to put it here. Let's take the address, apply. Here you see it's the address from the widget. Then take in this div. Let's put the output location. Here, Gefälligkeitsausgabe. So let's take like this, and here you go. And then let's put in here some dynamic data of the first from the widget. Where is the dynamic data? Inlet. Here you go. So the dynamic data widget, and let's take the phone, and then you have to choose here. It's not empty. This is really important, otherwise there won't be anything. So now apply, and there's written telephone, but I don't want the telephone, this is the label. I want to have the phone number. So I have the text here, and I can let you %, and then input. So this is a little bit PHP. Apply, and there you got the phone number. So, but you don't need to make this search this widget. You can also just put in here a text field, then click a double, insert data, custom field meta option, and then here you put in custom, you put in geodirectory minus, and then it's the field name. So let's take the email. The email, insert, and now there is the email. So this is much quicker. Let's make it a little bit place so you can see it. And then you can put in here down. Well, let's put another section in. So the post content, you can again choose the post widget or just choose the basic heading text, double click, insert data, post content. And here you go, here's the post content. So if you want, we can also use this. This is like really nice, the widget, like the last seen. Where do we have like last seen listings? Let's say I can't find it. Why can't I find it? It's because it's in German. Yeah, something. Let's take it like this. So we have here some underneath. Let's say flash button. So I don't want that much. Oh, there's a lot more to design. I didn't try to get an Oxygenbuilder, the new design, so that's new. Okay, so let's leave it like this. Anyway, just save. Not important, we just want to know how it works. So if I go now to the website and choose here places, and here I choose this, you see you have this site I just designed without changing anything. But if you already have more templates than just 2, it's important that you change here here's the detail templates on this pages, right? And then you change here the detail places template. Actually, maybe it's not important. Maybe you really don't need to do it. Maybe just pick none. Because I thought it's the default, but the default is the header footer. So probably you really don't need to pick it here anymore. It doesn't matter probably. That's nice to know. Okay, so you see that here in the Gutenberg builder, you have the default content, but anyway, there is applied the Oxygenbuilder content from the Oxygenbuilder template. So unless there is an inner content block in here, nothing will be shown what's in the Gutenberg builder. If there would be an inner content block, which is not filled by another template, then you will see the Gutenberg content. So I like to leave it here, so in case the Oxygenbuilder is not working, that there is something to see. But you can also just delete it, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I hope it helped a little bit. Okay, goodbye.